Jury selection now complete in the high-profile trial of former President Donald Trump.
The panel will decide his fate in a case where he stands accused of an illegal hush money scheme. Our Washington, D.C. correspondent Hannah Brand has details. Good evening, Hannah.
Sarah, Casey, good evening. That jury selection process was long and exhaustive, but now that it's done, the court can move ahead with arguments and testimony, which are expected to be pretty dramatic. As his trial moves forward, the former president is fuming.
This is a rigged trial.
This week, the court selected 12 jurors and 6 alternates. George Washington University law professor Steven Salzberg says the process focused on finding people who can be fair and impartial.
Both sides had a chance to strike jurors they didn't like, and we ended up with what we needed.
Prosecutors say Trump participated in an illegal hush money scheme to cover up an alleged affair with an adult film star. And on Monday, lawyers from both sides will have the chance to present their opening statements to the jury.
It's a much faster process than a lot of people predicted.
But former President Trump expressed frustration that the trial is keeping him off the campaign trail.
I'm sitting in a courthouse all day long. This is going on for the week, and this will go on for another 4 or 5 weeks, and it's very unfair.
He also complained about a gag order from the judge that bars him from publicly criticizing witnesses.
The gag order has to come off. I should be allowed to speak.
The prosecution says he's violated that gag order, pointing to his Truth Social post lashing out at his former lawyer Michael Cohen and adult film star Stormy Daniels, 2 key witnesses in the case.
Some of the things that defendant Trump has already said, I think, would have gotten an ordinary defendant held in contempt of court.
And the judge set a hearing for next week to decide whether or not Trump did violate the gag order and whether or not to fine him for it. Live in Washington, I'm Hannah Brandt.
Hannah, while jury selection was being finalized, there was some shocking events, an emergency outside of the trial. Man lit himself on fire in front of the courthouse. What can you tell us about that?
That's right. Police say that man was in his 30s and from Florida. They say he was in the park across from the courthouse where they've set up an area for public protesting to happen. And he scattered around some pamphlets that police say had conspiracy theories on them, though they were not related to this trial. Then he doused himself in a flammable liquid and lit himself on fire. He was extinguished fairly quickly and rushed to the hospital by first responders, where he is now in critical condition.